First, you will open the Internet Explorer and then you will type in the NBC website, which is www.nbc.co.za. You will then land on the NBC homepage where you will see on the top right-hand corner the NBC Land icon. You will click on this icon, which will then lead you to the login page. On this page, you will input your username and password. Your username will either be with your cell phone number or your email address. This would be whichever one you had registered with at the point of loading your account on the Kiosk platform. In this instance, this member had chosen to register with their email address. Once you have input the correct details, you will then click on Login. You will then be led to the NBC Land homepage and you will be required to click on the Admin Services Kiosk icon, which will then lead you to the Protection of Personal Information page. Should you wish to accept the information on this page, you will click on Accept. You will then be led to the Ask menu, which will provide you on the left-hand side with the option to click on Values and Transactions. You will then see the various options available, and thus you will see the savings pot amount that will be currently allowed for you to claim. You will then click on Claim from My Savings. Once you have selected this item, the next page will load, which will require you to select whether you would like to receive your one-time PIN via your email address or your mobile number. This must correlate with the manner in which you have chosen to register your account. Once you have received your one-time PIN, please note that it will go to either your email address or your mobile number, and it will only last for 10 minutes. Therefore, it is important that you put in this one-time PIN within the allocated 10 minutes required. Once you have selected and input the one-time PIN, you will click on Submit. You will then see a page that will appear that says Withdrawal Details. On this page, you will see that your details will be pre-populated had you provided your employer with your banking details in order to register to this platform. Whilst your details will be pre-populated, please note that you will be allowed to change your banking details to whichever banking details which you as a member may require that your savings withdrawal amount be paid to. However, keep in mind that this bank account must be registered under your ID number and name. You will then also be required to input your tax reference number. And lastly, you must put in the withdrawal amount that you would like to withdraw from your savings pot. It must be either equal to or below the amount in your savings pot. You will then click on Submit. Once you have submitted it, an icon at the top will appear that confirms that your claim has been submitted successfully. You will click on OK, and then you will land on the Ask menu on your personal information page.